Imagine waking up in the morning and you see that you have made a lot of money, and it's not because you stayed up all night to work, or because you have one very complicated business that gives you money. Because you know how to use AI to make money. AI did all the work for you. Now, in this particular video, I am going to be showing you the laziest way, five lazy way that you can make money with AI. Now, by saying five lazy way you can make money with I don't mean that you don't have to do anything. What I mean is that AI is doing most of the work for you. AI is doing the heavy work for you. That's why I call it five lazy ways that you can make money with AI. Now, if you are new to this YouTube channel, my name is Auto Progress, and what I do here, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. If you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell and make sure you like this video if you find it valuable. And remember, I don't share jargons in this YouTube channel. I share what has worked for me. I don't share things like, oh, go and click one place and make money or tax. I share real practical ways that you can actually make money. The first lazy way that you can use to make money with AI is creating an ebook. Now, you must have heard people say, I made 10 million naira from creating digital products. I made 11 million naira from creating digital products. I made 20 million. I made 50 million naira from creating digital products. And you are thinking, oh, it's so complicated. How do I start? You can start with AI. You can start creating ebooks with AI. Ebook is a digital product, is a type of digital product. Now, just focus on creating an ebook that people need. Yes, people need that solves real problem for people. Not just randomly create an ebook that solves real problem for people. And how do you create this ebook? Find a problem people are looking for solution for, and let your ebook be the solution to the problem. You can use AI, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for the ebook, chapters for the ebook, and you can use ChatGPT to write the full ebook. You can also use ChatGPT to create an ebook cover or an ebook mockup for that ebook. If you are confused about all this information, I have a detailed video. Yes, I have a detailed video on this my YouTube channel that will teach you step by step on how to create an ebook using ChatGPT. I will drop the link to the video in the description so you can just search for it. Just click on the link on the description. You are going to see it. If you don't see it, just drop a comment in the comment section. I'm going to send you the link. Number two is Faceless YouTube channel. Now you can start a Faceless YouTube channel using AI. Now, when we are talking about Faceless YouTube channel, it means that a channel that your face will not show. And there are a lot of persons that are doing Faceless YouTube channel and they are not using AI. For example, those that have to do with gossip, those that have to do with some YouTube channel, they do cooking video and it's faceless. They don't show their face. That's still faceless. What I'm talking about is doing Faceless YouTube channel with AI. You can go for storytelling. You can go for oral stories. You can just go for any story. And then you can go for history. Now you see those stuff like baby shark, cocoa melon and all that. Those ones are faceless. And you can use AI tools to create them. Now AI tools like Grok, VO, Google VO, you can use them to generate videos and then you start posting on your channel. And YouTube is one of the platforms that pay Nigerians in dollar. I'm a YouTuber and I'm earning from my YouTube channel. So I am telling you, that's why I told you that I will tell you what I do. I will not tell you what I heard. I will tell you what I do. You want to make money and you don't want to show your face and you want a lazy way to make money that AI will do most of the work for you. Choose Faceless YouTube channel. Use Faceless YouTube channel. Choose Faceless YouTube channel. All you just have to do is create a YouTube channel and then start creating videos, upload your videos. When you get to the requirement for YouTube to monetize your account, they are going to monetize you and you are going to start earning dollars from YouTube. The third one is selling AI knowledge. Trust me, there are a lot of persons that are making millions and millions online. And what do? They just teach people how to use AI tools. They teach people how to use various AI tools. And this is why you are going to make lots of money if you decide to sell AI knowledge. See, AI is reigning right now. A lot of persons are crazy about AI. A lot of persons want to learn how AI works. They want to be current. They want to be up to trend. Like they want to be current with what is currently trending. And you can have or you can tap a business opportunity out of it. If you are somebody that is always curious and somebody that wants to learn more about AI, you can learn more about AI, and then don't just learn for yourself, learn for others. When you learn, you turn it into a digital product, turn it into trainings, and start teaching people your AI knowledge. You can teach people how to use ChatGPT, you can teach people how to use Google VO, you can teach people how to use Grok, you can teach people how to use Wix, you can teach people how to use various AI tools, and they will be very happy to learn from you, because there are a lot of persons that really want to learn how to use AI, especially people that are above 40. They want to learn how to use AI because they don't want to be seen as old school. The fourth lazy way that you can use AI to make money is by using it to create art. Now, I know you might have seen some art and you know that these art, they are not hand drawn. They are not hand drawn. Some of these arts were done using AI. They were created using AI. And there are lots of AI tools that you can use to create art. You can use image FS. Image FS is an AI tool that you find in Google Labs to create art. You can use Mid Journey to create art. You can use ChatGPT to create art. Then you can use Gemini to create art. Some sites that you can sell your art include Etsy, Creative Markets, Redbubble, Gumroad, and you can also offer it as a service on Fiverr. The fifth lazy way that you can actually use AI to make money is by creating chatbots for business owner. Now, this is a good man. You know why it's a good man? A lot of business owners, they cannot be online 24/7, and the amount of messages they have, they cannot really answer it all by themselves. So having a chatbot that can be automated that will help them to reply messages, they will really love it. They'll really pay anybody that is willing to do that for them. And that is where you come in. You use AI to create chatbots and get paid for it. Now, I'm going to be listing some AI tools that you can use to create chatbots. And then what you just do is go and meet business owners and tell them, this is what I can do for your business. I can create chatbot for your business, so that when somebody messages you, whether through your website or your or WhatsApp, the chatbot will be there to answer frequently asked questions about the business, or to even take orders. I'm going to be calling some AI tools that you can use to create a chatbot. And these AI tools, you don't need advanced knowledge to be able to use them. You don't even need coding to be able to use them. Now, number one is ManyChat. You can use this to create a chatbot that can work for Instagram or WhatsApp. Number two is Studio. You can use it to create a chatbot that can work for Messenger and then for websites. Number three is ChatGPT API. You can use it to create a chatbot. Number four is Chat4. You can use it to create a chatbot too. These AI tools can help you to create a chatbot, and lots of business owners will thank you for it. They will thank you for it because to help them to ease stress in their business. So these are 5 lazy ways that you can make money using AI. As you can see, these ways are practical. They are not cho. And when you do it and you make money from it, don't forget to come and pay your fee. Don't forget to thank me. If you are new to this YouTube channel, to make sure you continually see videos like this, and I also appreciate your subscription, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. Also, make sure you drop a comment if you got value from this video. If you have questions, don't be shy. You can always ask me questions in the comment section. Alright, bye for now and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.